Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing chicken leg quarters in the Ninja Speedy, and we are going to be using some sweet chili sauce, optional, but we'll also talk about some different options of different sauces that you can use as well. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you're notified when my future videos come out. Let's get into the cook. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to show you what ingredients I'm using and kind of give you an idea here. So first things, we have our chicken leg quarters. Alright, that's what these are. If you're not familiar, all a leg quarter is you have a thigh connected to a drumstick. And you can get, actually, for a 4-pack of these was $4. So a really good deal. So we've got the leg quarters. And then for the seasoning, I'm going to be using a little bit of garlic salt. And then over here we got some Tony Chachere's Creole or Cajun seasoning. Now remember, obviously you can use anything that you like, but this combo goes great with what I consider the star of the show, which is the sweet chili maple sauce. This is my favorite brand. If you have any other kind of sweet chili sauce, feel free to use that as well. And then we'll be using, I'll fill this with water, but 3/4 of a cup of water as well. So there's the ingredients. Now let's get this chicken seasoned up. Alright, so first thing that we want to do is season the chicken up. Actually, I'd already seasoned the other side, but so here's the bottom of the chicken. So what we're going to season it with, and this is the same as I did for the top. Sorry I didn't show you that, guys. But we're going to go in with our garlic salt first. So just do the garlic salt on this, and I'll actually show you the other side here in a minute. As a matter of fact, I forgot to hit record when I did the top. So we got that, and now we got the Tony Chachere's, the Creole or Cajun seasoning, and it is so good. It complements the sweet chili sauce that I'm going to be using on this chicken. It just, those two flavors are really good. So we've got the bottom side seasoned up, and I did already do the top side as well. So the chicken is all seasoned up. Now let's go to the Ninja and get this cooked. Alright, so here we are at the Ninja. The unit is not turned on. Let's go ahead and open this up, and what we are using is the roaster rack and obviously the drip pan as well. The first thing that you want to do is we've got our 3/4 cups of water. Just dump it in there. And then next we've got our chicken here, looking lovely. Now you want to place the chicken skin side, here's the back. So you want the skin side facing down. Okay, we're going to get both of these in here, and I'll give you a look real quick and show you what we got. So they're both in there, really easy. Let's close the top on this thing. We're going to turn the unit on. Now we do want to be over on the rapid cook side. We are going down to the steam and crisp. We are setting this for 375. Now the time will be 25 minutes. It's not going to take 25 minutes. I'm just setting it for that just in case you might have to, it might take a little longer anyway. So 25 minutes, hit start. This will take a few minutes to preheat, and we'll start counting down, and I'll bring you back for the next step. Alright, so we're counting down. Started at 25, so at 10 minutes we'll open this up. So we've been cooking for 15 minutes, and I'm sure the steam will be there, of course, like always. And we'll take a quick look, see what we got, and it's looking great. Now from here, we are going to flip the chicken over so the skin side is, we want to press the top of that chicken. Now here, the steam might knock a little bit of the seasoning off. I'm trying to get you close without getting steam all over the camera, but going with just a little more seasoning on top of the chicken if you lost a bunch of seasoning. And we're good there. So we'll close the top, let it resume, and I'll take it to the next step. Alright, so now we are counting down from our last time. So this is 5 minutes. 5 minutes left. We'll give it a look. Sorry about that steam, guys. But anyway, yes, I'm going to say those are looking absolutely amazing. And nice and crispy. Everything's done. So what you want to do now is use a thermometer and check the internal temperature. Chicken is done at 165, but with this is dark meat. Oh yeah, 170. 180, that's perfect. So for dark meat, thighs and legs and wings, you can take these up to 100. Actually, I prefer mine to be closer to 180 to 185 degrees. So these are all good. We got 180, 170 something over there, so we're good. Now let's sauce them up. All right, so let's add this sweet chili sauce to the top here. Now what I'm going to do, actually, I am going to sauce one of these up, and then I'll leave the other one plain because I'm going to give some advice on the other one. And actually, this without any sauce is really good as well. So yeah, we'll do both. But I mean, the sweet chili sauce is so good. Yes. Oh, I know you're hot. I get it. All right, keep that sauce on there. And so from here, and then we've got this 5 minutes left. Let's close the top. Give it just a couple of minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, we're actually going to check it about a minute and a half in after we closed it, just to take a look and make sure. Oh, no, yeah, that is looking absolutely amazing. Oop, of course. Sorry, guys. Gosh, this stained up. But well, we'll have to take it out so you can see the sweet chili one. But those are looking absolutely amazing. I'm going to pull them off, let them sit for about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to cut into them. See you in a minute. All right, so this is what we ended up with. I'm going to show you the one with the sweet chili sauce first, amazing, and then the other one which is plain. And we're going to actually talk about some different sauces that we can use to give you guys some ideas. But for now, I'm going to move this to the side and just take the sweet chili one off. Set that aside. Grab a fork and a knife. Now normally I wouldn't use a fork and a knife, I just bite into it, but for you guys I'm going to cut this open. And we're going to take a look. There's a bone over here, but I can get through it. Just to show you guys the internal of the chicken, completely cooked through and awesome. Now, let's get a bite. Get rid of that bone. Sweet chili chicken. And it is still hot. All right, let's take a bite. That is so good. And so you got your leg over here as well. And you can cut down the between the thigh and there's a thigh and your drumstick, and then save your drumstick as well. Let's take a bite of that just to make sure it's all the way cooked through. Haha, I know it is, but here's a bite for you guys. That is so good. Now, don't go anywhere because I got some options and different things that you could do with this other chicken leg quarter, so I will meet you up top. Alright, so we're finished with the cook, so what I want to talk about is the other options for other sauces on, well, let me grab this for you, but the plain one, though we didn't put the sweet chili on, but I mean, first of all, just like this, is almost like fried chicken. It is amazing, but some different sauces you can use and the exact same method, same way. Teriyaki sauce, barbecue sauce, buffalo sauce. Other sauces, any kind of sauce that you like, do it the exact same way, and you'll put it in there, drop the top for about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes, and it will be amazing. So, you know, depending on whatever sauce you like, you can turn this into barbecue or teriyaki or just, you know, regular chicken. So make it your own, do whatever you like. So there's some options for you guys as well. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications so you're notified when my future videos come out. Make sure to give a thumbs up, drop that awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.